Hey guys, this is David. I'm going to make a short video about shock absorbers for my 2011 Silverado. I bought this truck brand new back in 2011, kept up to it, kept it in great shape all these years. Anyway, when it came time to change my shocks at about 75,000 miles, I drank the Kool-Aid. Everyone loves Bilstein 4600 shock absorbers. They are the way to go. Everybody loves them. Great ride. Don't get anything yet but Bilsteins. Well, look at this right shock. This thing is totally blown the fluid out of this shock. I had this shock 24,000 miles. Now, who knows when it blew? It could have been blown at 15,000, 18,000. I don't know. I don't look under my truck all the time, but that shock is totally destroyed. I would never use Bilstein shocks ever again. What I decided to go with, after a lot of research on what shock I wanted to put on my truck, I went with KYB's. And I went with the XLGs. These are the ones that give a ride, very similar ride to the stock shocks. They have two other step-ups, a little stiffer. These are the ones that I think are the best for the riding that I do. I ride on city roads in Jacksonville. I don't live in the country. I pull a trailer maybe a couple times a year. So for me, the XLGs were the way to go. I think they call them twin tube opposed to monotube. Anyway, that's the technology. You can get into the details on that. But anyway, so when it came time to buy these, where did I want to go buy them? So I looked at Summit Racing, actually where I bought the junk Bilstein 4600s. And Summit Racing has the exact same shocks right now. The 4600 Bilsteins for my Silverado, 89 bucks. So for the KYB XLGs, it's only $2-3 cheaper. So it's not a significant price difference between the two. But what I did is I didn't buy them from Summit Racing. I bought them from Walmart. Walmart has the same part number. See that KYB 345074? That is the exact same shock. Part number 345074. 345074 from Summit Racing. Instead of $89, $59 from Walmart. Now, Home Depot also sold these shocks for the exact same price, $59. One thing you don't want to do when you're buying shock absorbers is go to Advanced Auto or AutoZone. Here's the Advanced Auto website. Exact same shock. There's the part number, 345074, $134. Summit Racing, 86. Walmart and Home Depot, 59. $134 for the exact same shock absorber. So just kind of giving you guys price comparisons between a couple different retailers for the exact same shock. I put these on today. As far as the ride quality, fantastic. I really like these better than I can remember when I first put the 4600s on. The one thing, the 4600s, it's a stiff shock. And like I said, I do city driving. I pull a trailer a couple times a year. These rode much better than those 4600s ever perform. And I definitely recommend them. Once again, KYBs, the XLGs. Like they mentioned, they sell two others that are a stiffer shock. I'm glad I went with the XLGs in my case. Anyway, hope that helps you guys in comparison about what you want to put on your Silverado Sierra pickup truck. I would never use Bilstein 4600, Bilstein anything for that matter. See you guys. Bye.